Good morning po mga ka-excellence, kasalto, kasabong for this episode of Selective Instinct Breeding, we would like to show you the golden boy sweaters that we have here dito po sa farm. We would like to acknowledge yung source po namin ito, Red Game Farm, for allowing us to have this particular bloodline. So ito po yung mga golden boy sweaters that we have here. Have been with us for quite some time now. The particular broodcock in the video is actually winner na po ito. This is a direct offspring of the trio we got from Red Farm. Ito po particular na lalaki na to. And then ito po mga pullets are full sisters that we bred already dito sa farm. So we really like these golden boy sweaters as they represent the modern looking sweaters that we have right now dito sa Pilipinas. Maganda yung kulay, station, maganda yung buto. Distinct features that we really like about them is yung kanilang build, no? Maganda yung balikat, maganda yung katawan, matigas sa mga buto, pitis ang balahibo, and then yung kulay talaga nila is really typical of the modern sweaters, no? And when they produce yung mga ganitong kulay, they really maglalabas talaga sila ng isang kulay, no? Which is one of the standard na we would like to achieve, no? Yung uniformity ng breeding. So as to where we cross them, 90% of the time we cross them with the Gilmore Hatch. Yung Gilmore Hatch really complements itong golden boy as they make each other more vigor. Mas gumaganda yung mata, maganda yung mga balahibo nila. Station wise, yung buto, they really complement each other. So this is one of our pen for late born. Again, golden boy brood pen. Both are golden boy, male and female, in hope to produce yung mga pure golden boys for the coming season also. We also have this kind of mating sa aming locals and nationals, and we just continue to breed yung ganitong mga settings because marami rin po naghahanap ng mga pang-materialis na golden boy. So muli po, maraming po salamat at we will be back with another episode in the coming days. Thank you po.